Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with monday.com for workflow automation, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. Type in www.monday.com in the address bar. Once the website loads, look for the Get Started button or Sign Up link. Click on this button to initiate the registration process. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Make sure to use a valid email address that you can access. After entering your email, click on the Sign Up button. Next, check your email inbox for a message from monday.com. Open the email and look for a verification link. Click on the verification link to confirm your email address. Once your email is verified, you will be directed to the registration page. Here, you'll need to create a secure password for your account. Ensure that your password meets the specified criteria for security. After setting your password, proceed by clicking the Continue button. On the next screen, you may be asked about your role or team size. Select the options that best fit your situation. This information will help monday.com tailor your experience. Now, you may be prompted to create your first board. You can select from templates or start from scratch. Choose a template that suits your workflow needs. Customize the board by adding relevant columns and rows. Once your board is set up, you can add team members. Invite colleagues by entering their email addresses. After inviting team members, you can assign tasks to them as needed. To automate workflows, navigate to the Automation Center. From there, explore the available automation recipes. Select the automations that align with your workflow goals. You can customize these automations for specific triggers and actions. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.